Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to learn how to use the Zoho mail SMTP servers using PHP using Laravel. Okay, so this is quite interesting because Zoho email has a free SMTP server. Obviously it has a limit, but I will come to that in a later part. But you can send emails from the Zoho SMTP server, and it's free for at least quite a good amount of mail. So as you can see, I am logged into the Zoho mail. This is very simple. You can go and logged into the Zoho mail. One thing I would like to mention over here, if you are using a Google account to log in into the Zoho mail, then you might have to go to the go in this section, my account, and in the security tabs you have to change the password. So you can set a password, because if you are using a Google account login, then you will not be asked with the password. So you have to set a password from this section, exactly, my account section again. And here is the security, and you can change the password from here. Okay, so for the first time you will be asked with a new password, and then you can set that up. This password will be your SMTP password, exactly. So this is very straightforward. I am using PHP Mailer, as you are all familiar with PHP Mailer, I hope so, because this is a very good package for Laravel to send emails. I have covered previously on this in previous email also, previous videos also. So you can use this package. This is absolutely fantastic package to use with Laravel. So what I have created is, I have created a controller which is very straightforward. I have just created a send mail a route, obviously, and a Zoho mail function with very simple thing with this SMTP try-catch section, where you have to set everything out, and you can see the host name is there, obviously, and authentication is true, and the username is your email ID. So my email ID is code 180 zoho mail.in. Okay, the password is the password that you have set from there. The port number is 465. Obviously you can go ahead, and if you go into Zoho mail, if you click on the settings, if you go down here, mail settings, if you click on the SMTP settings, you will get all the settings from here as well. And you can see this checkbox. This is very useful. Save a copy of send email. It will save a copy of send email on your send account. So let's try it out. I'm sending an email, obviously. I've just created the API, and I'm just clicking on it, and message has been sent. This is a simple one that I'm returning out, right? Okay, so let's see what has happened. In the sent section, you can see here is the subject that has been changed, and on this section I have received some email, obviously. Yeah, I have received an email, okay, from code 180. Here is the subject and here is the test body. So you can use it very efficiently if you have a small amount of mail to be sent each day for a particular section or for development. In our development style, we sometimes have to send some mails, obviously, in the developer section. So we can use this Zoho SMTP, free SMTP. So coming to the limits, it says that it's not absolutely free totally, but here is 150 email per day is free for you. Okay, in the free and the trial account. Obviously you can go for the standard edition, the professional edition, and there is a lot of more. Okay, so but 150 is not a lesser amount of email. If you are using it for a simple task, or you're just reminder, or something like doing an experiment, or something, using it in a development section, if you wanted to use in some kind of project, obviously. So this is a fantastic SMTP server that is provided by Zoho. and I have explored it out. I like to you people to explore it out as well, obviously, and I will be definitely sharing this code on the comments box and the description section over this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.